If you need to recover your National Commercial Bank Libya Switzerland account but don't have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the official National Commercial Bank Libya Switzerland website. Look for the login section or the account recovery options available on the homepage. Step 2. Locate the account recovery option. Find the link or button that says Forgot Password or Account Recovery. Click on it to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Provide required information. Enter the necessary information such as your email address, account number, or any other identification details requested. Ensure that the information you provide matches what is on file with the bank. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Once you receive the email, follow the instructions provided to reset your password or recover your account. Make sure to create a new password that is secure and memorable. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.